since you've seen a video from me or anything. Just life's been real busy, so I haven't really had time to put as much into my channel as I would like. But I feel like I'm at a place where I can kind of start trying to make some more videos here and there. It may not be as consistent as it once was, but got to start back somewhere and get my head back in the game, you know. So today's video is just about Stitchfix. Many of you have seen commercials and ads on social media. Basically, you know, you get your own clothing stylist, and you know, you can get a package from them directly to your house with some fixes, monthly fixes, or you can get them bi-weekly, I think. You know, just kind of clothing styles that most likely would match what you would wear, or you could try new things. So I decided to give the Surface a try. I've seen good reviews, so my package just arrived today, and let's go ahead and get this live unboxing started. Got my knife here. Hearing some good things about it, so let's see what we've got. And then, as you can see on the box, it's very convenient. It says number one, you decide, try on everything the stylist selected, even those you think aren't your style. Choose what you want to keep and return the rest. Then you rate, complete your checkout survey. The more feedback you give, the better your next fix can be. And in the app, there's also, every time you log in, they have different clothing items, and you just rate thumbs up or thumbs down. And the more you do that, the more they can kind of tell what kind of style you would have. So then you place any items to return in the enclosed prepaid shipping bag, drop it off at the USPS mailbox or collection site within 3 days. So I'm assuming if you do not drop the items off within 3 days, then they'll just assume that you're going to keep all of the things they sent. So here's an envelope. It says, "We see great compliments in your future." Let's see what's in here. Hello there. What is this? This looks like possibly what I guess you get one of these with, I guess, that outlines whatever it is they sent you, possibly. We'll find out in a minute. See, styled for you. This fix was expertly styled with your preferences in mind. Open for a message from your stylist, plus how to wear each piece. And of course, you also get referral towards your next fix by simply referring and sharing this with other people, which I think is pretty cool. So looks like what I have is this Cabrillo Space Dye Lace-Up Sneaker. Yes. Okay, so that is correct. These items that they sent on this sheet are what they've sent me. And if give you, you know, a nice personalized letter from apparently Katie is my stylist, and they have my email address up here. So that's pretty cool. So you can put that to the side. And this is just an itemized list of what they've sent you, and also you get a 25% discount if you purchase all of the items. So we'll see what I want to keep and what I want to return, and yeah, so if I decide to keep everything, this is what I pay, which I think is pretty good for what I've received. All right, so that's pretty neat. And what else is in here? I think this is just okay, yeah, this is another referral code and things like that inside there. I'm not gonna, well, okay, pull it out. Yeah, so it's basically got kind of a summary of what you can do with your fixes and the referral code. So I'll read those. So now let's get into what they have sent me. There's a burlap bag in here. I'm assuming that has the shoes in it. So let's see. Sorry about the shakiness, guys. Okay. So what I've gotten are Toms. And I really like these already. This is my style. This is gonna look so good with my other items. So next, let's pull this out, which contains all the clothing items. Let's set that and remove the box. All right. And it comes in this wrapped package here. You just peel the sticker off. All right. So I'm really enjoying the presentation. So here's one, a polo. It's a slim polo, which I asked for. Okay, very nice. I like the coloring. I hope you guys can get the color of what this kind of the hue and everything. Then I got another shirt here. And this one is more of a lighter blue. I like this. I like the pattern. And I apologize, guys, if you can't really get the full color or the design. It should be, you should be able to view it pretty easily. But and I also got kind of like a black or charcoal gray shirt here. All of these shirts are so me so far. And this one is more just like a plain type of shirt. I really like that. And I got one pair of jeans, which also looks like they got the length and the waist correct. So all in all, I would definitely say that for my first Stitchfix box, the stylist really hit it out of the park. And the real test, of course, is going to be trying the items on and just seeing how everything fits, how everything looks on me. And I probably will do like a video showing the items that I have on, just to show that they're fitted to what my specifications were when I set up my profile. So this was really just not only an unboxing video, but just to say that I missed you guys and I'm back, and you'll start seeing a few more videos from me in the near future. Again, it's not going to be as frequent, and it'll be just various videos, gaming, vlogging, stuff like that. So hope you guys have been doing good, and definitely click the link below if you want to try out Stitchfix and recommend it to your friends and family. Definitely more convenient if you're on the go and busy and don't have time to go to big box stores a lot. This is a good alternative, and looks like they did a good job. So didn't want to keep this video too long, but I hope you guys are doing good. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Anytime I upload a video, you'll get notified, so you can stay up to date on what's going on with my channel. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.